Hey guys, how's it going? How to use My Health Record for managing medical data in Australia. So go ahead to your browser and log in to mygov.au, okay? Or sign up, excuse me. And just go ahead and sign in, excuse me. And then you can, after you use your username or email and password, you can access records like prescriptions, test results, and doctor visits. You can update and add notes. You can add emergency contact, allergies, or personal health notes, and you can share your healthcare providers like doctors, hospitals, and pharmacies can update your record. And you can set, of course, the privacy controls, right? It's a secure digital health record that helps you and your doctors keep track of your medical history. So let's put out the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.